The official WhatsApp application for the Apple Watch has just dropped, allowing you to access your WhatsApp chats without using any third-party app. To download it, just go to the App Store and search for WhatsApp. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of third-party apps. Skip all these and find WhatsApp Messenger. As you can see, the developer is WhatsApp Inc. While installing the app, make sure that your Apple Watch is connected with your iPhone so that all your chats are synced automatically with the Apple Watch. As you can see, here are all my WhatsApp chats. I can read the message by accessing chats and send text replies. I can also listen and reply with audio messages. I'm also able to view all the images from the chat. But that's pretty much it. The GIFs I receive appear only as static images and the videos can't be viewed. They are unsupported on the Apple Watch. I also cannot view anybody's WhatsApp status and I can't make or pick up WhatsApp voice or video calls from the Apple Watch using the official app. However, there's a way to get WhatsApp on your Apple Watch that lets you view status and even videos on your Apple Watch. I've covered that in a separate video that you can watch by tapping on the I button. And that's it for this one. If you found this video informative, then leave a like and subscribe to Wearholic for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.